What's up, everybody? Welcome to another video. Of Randnote, another episode. So I don't know how long this one is going to take, but yeah, in the last video what we discussed was the selling percentage decrease. So now I decreased it all the way to 4. I'm gonna put it at 3, so that when we sell, our graph doesn't just plummet to the ground. We're gonna restart the blockchain. We're gonna restart the not VLC. We're gonna restart the blockchain, I mean the backend, and we're gonna run the automator. One in the head, one in the toupee. We're gonna quit this. So we're running, making transactions. It's an automation process for everyone who's new to my channel. Simulating a blockchain. So there's a blockchain that's running. There's a website, a front end and a back end of a website, but that website is a crypto exchange, basically, for one cryptocurrency. And here what's basically going on is that the transactions are being made. I'm running a simulation. I'm running a simulation. The price starts at 1,000 of the cryptocurrency. The price starts at 1,000, and because they're buys, the price keeps increasing all the way. So as you can see, it's almost at 2,000. So we're gonna run that again. It's at 2,182. So it's just gonna keep going, and these are the amount of notes that are being purchased, the actual cryptocurrency, and then this is the price at which they're buying it for. Not the price, this is the price. This is the amount of actual like dollars if you're in the United States, but I live in South Africa, so these are rands. So this person spent 884 rand at the price of 2,000. So they spend this money at this price to acquire 0.4 nodes. That's my cryptocurrency. I call it nodes. So now there are a bunch of buy orders. So we started here. So now what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna mine, like simulate a mine. So I haven't written a simulation for the miner yet, and I'm about to do that. This what this video is gonna be about. We're gonna write a simulation, because now so far I've written a simulation for the buy and the sell. And then if I look at the back end, we can see a bunch of sell orders now. So there was a buy, now there's a sell. So but then I had an issue with the price. So as you could see, I mined. Price started at 1,000. It was growing and growing and growing until the sell orders started coming in, and then it went from 3,700 to 2.7, 1.9, 1.3, 900, 600. So my problem here is my price. Whenever there's a sell order, my price stoops so low. It stoops so low that it becomes a problem, because at some point the price will eventually get to $0. And yeah, so as you can see, the price was here, and there were buy orders after buy orders, so the price just kept going up and up and up and up and up. And then immediately after I mined, sell orders started coming in, and it just dropped, and it just started dropping like a fly. So that is not good. So that's a problem that I had in the previous video. So I'm just gonna go here and try and reduce. I just don't understand. So my sell, if there's a buy order, if it's a sell order, then data, which is the price, I'm just gonna try and calculate this. It's the price percentage would be this. So this is the price. Say the price is, let me just go into the let's just go from here. How does price go from 180 to 126? So 180 is our price. So it's 180 times selling percentage decrease, which in this case is 0.3 times 0.3, that's the percentage, 54. And then we're gonna say data, which is 180 minus 54. It's 126. So we just reduce it like that. So let me just say that's 54. 180 times 0.5, that's 90. So wait, let me just say 180 times 0.1, that's 18. So it'll be 180 minus 18. That'll be, my price would stoop not from 180 to 126 but 180 to 162. So I think I'll just have to put that to 0.1, and we'll just increase that to 7, and I'll try and run that again. Okay. Oh, it's truncate. So okay, cool. Anyway, so it works. Now what I have to do is run the blockchain, run the backend. That'll I just need to restart this, and don't worry about that. That's like the front end connecting to my backend through the socket IO. Now I run my automator, and then there we start working. So I'm just gonna try and see what I have in the transaction website. So okay, so that's 1,000. Someone made a buy order. I'm just gonna select all from users. I'm gonna update users, set balance equals to 10,000, so that we can have a lot more money to work with. And then I'm not gonna mine yet. In fact, maybe I should mine. So the first mine has been done. We're gonna see what's in the transaction websites. Okay, so the users are still buying, they're still purchasing. If I look at the price is going up, the price is going up. Why is it stagnant? Just gonna try and refresh this. Price is at 5,900, 6,400. Price is moving a little too fast. I'm just gonna reduce this and put it at maybe drop it back down to 6. So apparently there's a sell order. I saw the graph go down a little bit, so I'm assuming there was some sort of a sell. Yes, they are sells. So I'm just gonna start mining now. I don't want to have to, I mean, if I have to, I will decrease this value from 0.1 to 0.0 something. But ooh, look at that. That is not good. So that's the problem that I had. My price goes all the way from here, goes all the way there until I start mining, and now users can sell. And then once they start selling, the price keeps all the way down. But then it's increasing again. So that's good. But the more, let me just try and mine that again, see what happens. Okay, so that I guess is a result of my mine and not because of the sell transactions. I'll just verify that. The price went from 3,000 to 2,900. I mean, when we sold price went from 7,500 to 7,200, which is not bad. I'm just gonna have to decrease this miner, maybe reduce it and place a 0.3 there, so that it doesn't affect the market so much. Because now this is just absurd, actually. So yeah, we'll just see what happens. But I like how everything is working and the application is working. The price, we're almost at an all-time high now. Almost surpassed 10,000. Oh, we did now. We just surpassed 10,000. There's no sell yet. Oh, they are, but they're not really making much of an impact. So the buys are dominating. There's just more buys than there are sells. Yeah. I'm gonna change up this front-end website a little bit. I'm gonna make it so that this chart is a little bit bigger. So the price is steadily increasing, and perhaps I should place the selling percentage decrease to 0.2. That's just what I think. It just balances things out a little bit. I'm gonna try and mine again. Just see the mine. Ooh, the price steeps all the way down, bro. Like, it's just wild. It's like a whole percentage decrease by at least 50%. That's wild. So, but the application works, guys. I've been working on this thing for over a year. It actually works. It's just a few touches that I need to do here and there, and we got ourselves a working product that I can upload to DigitalOcean. I don't want to sign up. I want to log in. Guys. Right. Okay, that helped out. I'm gonna put this at 0.2. I'm gonna put this at 0.2. I'm gonna put this at 0.25 actually. The buy at 7, and that should be adequate. I like how everything is. It's not a ridiculous chart. It's not ridiculous. It looks like a proper chart. Perhaps it's increasing a little too much. I'll just say 6.5, 6.6 maybe, yeah. And yeah, I'll just it works, guys. It works. I'm gonna try and simulate that again. Just run that blockchain. Run the front end. Don't know why I stopped it. Run the back end, and then I'm just gonna leave that alone. I should probably just truncate. Alright. Is it working? Okay, so there we go. We got 2 buy orders so far. Let's just try and observe it from the charts point of view. Okay, the price is still 1.3. I think there's something wrong with the app. Oh no, nothing is wrong. Price goes to 1.3. Okay, it doesn't seem like I'm gonna mine. See what happens. Price steeps all the way down to 166. It's wild. I need to figure out how this mining shenanigans works, because I'm just gonna cancel this out, cancel this, cancel that. Mining percentage decrease, so current supply divided by I'm just gonna put it like that. Restart the blockchain, restart the backend, restart the automator. I think maybe I don't have enough. Select all from users. Yeah, I don't have enough cash, so update users set balance. Right, should have a lot more transactions now. I'll just mine this. I'll just refresh this because this is wild. Price went from 72 to 15. How insane. Like, it's like the more I decrease it, the okay, let's try that. Run the automator, run transaction. Price is at 1,000. Price is at 1.6. Slowly but surely going up, 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 up. We'll see what happens when we start mining. Prices are 2.6, 2.7, 2.9, 3,000. Do we have a problem in the back end? Seems like... Okay, there's nothing wrong. We'll mine that and let's see what happens. The price is not moving. Price is at 5,000. 5.9. There's no sell yet. It's wild. Okay, we have our first sell. Price drops from 219 to 166. When I mined, price dropped from 8,000 to 200. What the hell, dude? That's just wild. Now the price is at 295. There hasn't been a sell order since. See what happens when I mine. Just look at that. Price goes all the way from 300 to $11 to 7 to 6. Still at 6. It's just something is awfully wrong. I need to recalculate everything. I think this, when this current supply, which is 200, let's say supply is 200 divided by 300, our S value is 0.66. 0.66 times the percentage times 0. What is it? 0.05 becomes 0.03, and then that's S. And now price, which is 1,000 times 1,000 multiplied by S, is the new price. So price will go from 1,000 to 33. That's the problem. So how can I change this? Current supply 200 divided by 300 times 10 is 6, and 6 times the price. Price becomes 6,000 from 1,000, so that does not make sense. So let me just say 0. Okay, 0.666, right? 0.66666 multiplied by the S value. Sorry, the 0.666 is the value, so we multiply by mining percentage decrease, which is 0.05. Let's just say 0.005 equals, then we multiply this by the price. the higher the smaller the value is, the smaller the price will become. So instead of that, maybe we can just say, I don't know, 6. So let's just see what happens. So 0.666 multiplied by, okay, let's not say 6, let's say 2, equals to 1.333332 multiplied by price of 1,000. Now the price increases to 1.33. So I guess it's gonna have to be 0.9. But the price increases, that's wild. So let's try 0.9. 0.66666 times 0.9 times 1,000. Oopsie. Times 1,000. Price will go from 1,000 to 600. So this is confusing. I think I need to find a different way of calculating this thing. Mining percentage decrease, so just the supply. I mean, I guess the supply change is important, but let me just leave the supply out. I haven't really came up with a good way of. So we'll just know that whenever there's an increase in supply, then just reduce the price. Just reduce the price. Just say price, reduce it by 10%. So if it's 1,000, it'll go to 9,000, right? So let's just reduce it by 10%. So price will become price times 10 divided by 100. So is that right? No, 90. Yeah, so it'll be 1,000 times. Sorry, it just got lost in my head there. Divided by 100. So price will become 900. So just gonna reduce it by 10%. That should work. Gonna run you. We're gonna do this, and finally we're gonna run you, and that should work. Oh, sorry, cannot find name S. Line 44. Okay. Can we run now? Okay. Guessing price is steadily increasing. 3.59, 3.8, 4,000, 4,300, 4,006, 4,009, 5,000. I'm gonna have to reduce this value. I don't know to what value, but okay, so we're just gonna mine there. Price is steadily increasing, so let's mine. Something happened. Yes, 10% deduction. Good. Now there's sell orders coming in. That was triggered by a sell order. I just want to check that. Select all from transaction website. From 10,000 to 7,000. That's good. Now a bunch of sell orders. We're gonna mine again. So we mined. Gonna check the price. Price went from 12,000 to 1,200. That is wild. But it picked back up again from 1.2. Why did it reduce so significantly? What the hell is wrong with this? Price goes from 12,000 all the way down to that's crazy. I mean, it's slowly picking back up again, but that's not supposed to be the case. From 6,000 to 4,000. 6,000 to 4,000. That's not bad. Let's see what happens when I mine. Boom, we mined. Boom. Price goes to 800. What the hell, dude? That's not supposed to be the case. Price is not supposed to drop from 7,800. That's not. Dude, like, what's my calculator? Look, 7,500 times 90 divided by 100. It's 6,750, not 800. $7,500, let's see, 90 divided by 100, 0.9. Still, it's supposed to be 6.5. How does the price go to, see now, price goes from 700, goes all the way down. The price is getting reduced too much. Oh, that's supposed to be 90, man. Jeez. Not 10. Hell. It's supposed to be 90. I made a mistake. It's just gonna 1000. We're gonna truncate this, and we're gonna start again. So run the blockchain, run the backend, run the automator. It's just gonna run the automator. Run the automator. So let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Okay, it's working. Let's just see what's happening in the transaction websites. Transactions are going through. I think I'm gonna make the miner, when I work on the automator for the miner, I'm just gonna probably make it mine every once in 10 seconds. And then I think we'll see what happens from there. Let's just try and mine again. Let's see what happens. So the price is at 5,000. It's at 5,000. 6,500, 4,940, 5,266, 5.6, 5.9, 6.3, 6.8, 7.2, 7.7. Price is increasing way too fast. I need to reduce the purchase, but I think before I fiddle again with the price, with the percentages, I should probably just write my my miner automator first. So let's just try and mine there again, see what happens. Price takes a dip. That's good. We're gonna get a little many more sell orders from now on. Let's see. So still not too many sells, but they are coming. Still so many purchases. I'm gonna mine. I'm gonna look at this again. So okay, price is at 13,000 from 1,000 now 13,000. So the price is it's going up and down, to say the least. There's something that I need to figure out. When a user sells, then their balance needs to increase, right? Their balance needs. So I should probably log in with another user's credentials, based off of this select all from users. Let's use Peter Armstrong, who has a balance of 640. Copy email address. His password is password. So we'll call 3,000. Gonna sign in. Gonna paste you here. Gonna say password. Log you in. Balance is 640. He has 3 nodes in his account. Does this work? I guess. Still have bugs in here. So he only bought. He never sold. So I'm gonna mine again. Just trying to see. Still no purchases. My computer is frozen, bro. Jeez. Okay. But what's the price? Is it still 10,000? Wait. My PC is frozen, guys. Well, not my Firefox. What's the price right now? Select all from transaction website. Price is at 5,000. It dropped from 11,000 all the way to 8 to 5, 4, and then it increased a little bit from 4.1 all the way to 4.9 to 5.6, and then there was a sell order. Then it dropped again to 4,200. So now it's like basically just fluctuating up and down. Did we sell yet? Still haven't sold yet. Eventually we end up having a price that goes very low. I'm starting to think that maybe when we let me just see, select all from users, their price, these guys are untouched from 45 to 51, so, and we have 51 users in our account, so I'm just trying to guess that perhaps we're only using the first 40 users. So I think in the automator, what is it, index workup by, we're making use of how many users? Global number of users. So this is 40 and it's supposed to be 49. 49, let's do 49. Yep. Yeah, that should work. Should probably restart the back end. The thing is, the price will start at 1,000. Price is 1,000. Price is. Can I just mind us? Select all from transaction websites. Still buys. Price is 700. I'm just curious to know that if a user sells, does their balances get updated? Because it seems like they just get their balances just keeps on decreasing, but it never gets updated again. Do you know what I'm saying? When you sell, let me just try and sell with this guy. I want to sell, my balance 640. I want to make a sell for, how many nodes do I have? I have 3 nodes. Okay, I want to sell 3 nodes. Should increase by 1,000, so let's sell that. So it did work. My price is now 2,000. My nodes balance is now 2,000. Let me just try and get that in there. 2,721. Peter Armstrong. So it does work. But does it work for the automator though? You find that I'm using some sort of a client type function, and I'm not just using the same function for if a user makes their transaction here compared to if they make their transaction on the automator, and Yeah, let's just see what the price is. Price is 59. This was my transaction, and it went from, the price was 346 at the time I made this transaction, and I sold 3 notes. Then the price went from 300 to 100. I think, yeah, so I think I have a solution for this. My solution will be just use percentages throughout, because it's gonna be much easier to debug. So I'm just gonna use percentages, buying percentage increase. So this here, I'm gonna remove all of this stuff. So when we're buying, we're gonna say percentage data is the price. So here I'm supposed to say price is equals to price, data multiplied by percentage divided by 100, and by percentage let's just whip out the calculator there. So if price is at 1,000 and this is 10 divided by 100, price goes, so this should be 90. Increase price by 10%. Where do we have you? Yes, increase price by 10%. That's the value of our new price. Easy way to calculate price. She's gonna get rid of that stuff. And it's also gonna be the same this side. We're gonna have, but we want to decrease it this time. We're gonna say price equals to data times selling percentage decrease, divide by 100, but if price is 1,000, we multiply by 90 divided by 100. So we're decreasing by 10%, so this is supposed to be 90. Whoa. Did I say? Okay, something is off. This is supposed to be 90. Let's see. Am I confused? So it's 1,000 multiplied by 90 divided by 100. It's 900. So for the buy, it's 1000 multiplied by 10, right? Multiplied by 10 divided by 100. So yes. Wait. I'm confused. 1000 multiplied by 90 divided by 100 will bring the price to 900. So this is the sell order. So the buy order will be 1000 multiplied by 10 divided by 100. No. 1000 multiplied by 110 divided by 100. The price will go up to 1100. So buying will be 110. So let's just confirm that again. That's buying and then that's selling. So this should work every time there's a, so I should probably increase this by 120 because there'll be mines a few times here and there. So this should work. I'm gonna truncate and we're gonna update the balances of the users, and we're gonna restart the blockchain, and we're gonna restart you can restart the back end, and finally we'll restart the automator, and this should work. Really this should work. This guy has 10,000 it's working. Let's see. Let's just select all from transaction websites. So you have a few purchase orders there. And we're gonna mine soon. We're gonna mine here. We're gonna did we even mine? We're gonna mine again. What's the price? It's, ooh, price goes up by 10% every time. 10,000, 12,000, 15,000, 18,000, 22,000, 26,000, 31,000, 38,000. Still no sales. Brilliant. Mine. Did I mess something up? No purchasing, no selling. Great. Did I mess something up? Yeah, means I messed something up. I must have messed something up. How did I mess anything up? Selling percentage decrease. Price, set the price to this. How does that influence when there's a buy order? Price is this times this divided by this. That's our new price. Oh, we're not. Geez, okay. I see what the problem is. Return price equals to price. Same here. Okay. Is it the same with the mining? I want to see what the mining. Okay, this returns the price. Okay, so we're gonna stop everything. Stop this. We're gonna truncate again, update and truncate, and select all from transactions. There's nothing. Start the blockchain, start the front end, start the back end, and start the automator. Select all from transactions. Nothing is working yet. Okay, there we go. So I'm gonna restart this or refresh this. Okay, so it should be working now. So we're just gonna quickly mine. My hand hurts. So I have load shedding in an hour. Alright, so we're gonna mine. Price is at 18,000. Now it's at 28,000. Now it's at 41,000. Still no mining. Oh my goodness. Still no price change. So still no setting. So we mined again. So still no setting. Oh my goodness. Did I mess up something now? Bro. It's like I messed something up. I messed something up. Oh no, I didn't. Cells are in place now. Gonna mine. Let's see. Buy, sell. The price is overly exaggerated here. A billion. Is it a billion? We're selling 71. Wait, we sold, but the price went from 71,000 to 77,000. So now the price does not decrease anymore, it just keeps going up. It means there's something wrong that I did. Price is increasing by 20%. Did I do this right? Because it's just, oh my goodness, bro. Why are we not selling as much? Why? Look at the price. That's just crazy. When we're buying, it's the price, which is 1,000 times 120 divided by 100. Our new price is 1.2, so let's just say 1,000 multiplied by from 105. Okay, 1018. Let's do this. 101.8. And the reductions when we're selling, this will be 1000 multiplied by 90 divided by 100. Price will go from 1000 to 900. So, but we want to do that. We want to say 1000 times 99. Let's just put it at 99. We're gonna try this one more time. We're gonna truncate, and we're gonna set the user's balance to 10,000, and run the blockchain. We're gonna run the front end. We're gonna run the back end, and we'll run our automator, and we'll see what happens. Okay, we'll see what happens. Price starts at 1000, goes to 1036, 1054, 1073, 1090, 1112, 1133. Okay. You don't have sell orders, right? That wouldn't make sense. We're gonna mine. There's a first sell. First sell takes the price from 1378 to 1389. So that does not make sense. $1,462 to 1,473. So our sell is not, it's not decreasing the price. That's crazy. How? It's just wild. It's if it's data is 1,000, right? Data is 1,000 times selling price decrease. Guys, come on. Like, am I crazy? 1,000 times 99. Divided by 100. 990. That's price. Now price is 990. Return price is price. It doesn't make sense. Why is just get rid of this. Just look into right, guys, so there's a little bit of a bug. I'm just gonna document that. I'm gonna stop coding because it's raining. You guys are not gonna be able to hear me. So I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm gonna figure out what's wrong and fix it. That's basically it. Peace out.